y'all, it's April and thanks for stopping by my crazy creative life. Look what I got in the mail yesterday. This is the June 2024 bargain bead box subscription. Let's go ahead and look and see what we got. And like always, I'm going to organize it in my little plastic container. And I get these at Hobby Lobby. They're usually 3 for $3.49. So this is the Sunken Treasure Collection. And it says, tossing waves and lost treasure combine in this eclectic oceanic palette. A trove of patina finished bronze pieces combined with gorgeous gemstones and matte finished crystals for a sea swept feel. We love the little sea turtles too. But as you search the ocean floor, be aware of kraken. So with this, I know I was watching, they always do like a video right before they release of what to expect for that month. They don't show you everything, just a few things. And apparently, I'll get to it here in a minute, there was a piece that there was some miscommunication. I don't know what happened, but anyway, the clasp didn't get fixed like they were supposed to, so they actually gave us a couple of free items. So this month you actually have more in the bargain bead box than what we normally do. So I guess happy accident, huh? Okay, so we're going to start off with, this is a 35mm flower Amazonite teardrop pendant. Its retail price is $5.99. And these come in different colors, different variations. Some were all brown, some were mostly blue, some were a combination. And I was hoping to get one closer to this, because to me it looks like the ocean. That looks like water through the air, and beautiful though. I think that's so pretty. Next, we have 8mm Malaysia Jade dyed quartz frosted beads. I love this color. I love it, and if y'all have seen my recent videos, you know I've been wanting some beachy things, and this fits the bill. Oh, I love this. It's so pretty. Next, we have 4 to 5mm lava stone nuggets beads with bronze plating. This retail, I don't think I told you the Malaysia Jade retail is $6.99. The lava stone nugget beads with the bronze plating, it's 15-inch. It's a 15-inch strand, and the retail price is $4.99. Next, we have 8mm Maffinite round beads in teal. And the retail price is $6.99. And this is the Maffinite dyed round beads. Yep. Ooh! Those are really pretty. They make me think of turtles, like the turtle shell. Ooh, I love those. Yeah, those are gorgeous. And that retail price was $6.99. Then we have 6mm white lava stone beads, 15-inch. Retail price is $2.99. $2.99. That come out weird. $2.99. There we go. And I like lava stone. Next, we have 10mm carnelian round beads, 7.5 string. Retail price is $5.99. These are really pretty. I think I just love this whole set. They've done a really good job with this which they always do a good job. I mean, that kind of came out wrong. But with anything, you're going to have some months that you like better than others, even though they're all beautiful. And this is one of those months I really, 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 really like. Next, we have a 56 by 58 octopus pendant. This thing's kind of neat. It's not going to fit in my box, but look at that. I mean, that is, what was that, 20? Oh, what is that book? Oh, shoot. What is the book with the big octopus? Anyway, y'all know what I'm talking about. That's what it makes me think of. Fanny, you know what that book is? Where the big octopus comes out and tears down and like sinks the boat. Okay. Alright, next we have 4-piece 24mm shell charms in bronzed patina. And this is these. So this is a bronze bead, but they have a patina in this like aqua color. Those are really pretty. But, and then it matches obviously the octopus. Next we have a 10-piece 10mm bead caps in bronzed patina. Those are really pretty. Again, I will take pictures and insert the pictures because it seems like you can see better pictures than you can just on video, or at least I think so. Alright, next we have a 20-piece 8x7mm textured bicone beads in bronzed patina. The octopus was retail at $2.99. The shells $1.99. The bead caps were $2.99. And these are $3.99. I think I keep forgetting to say that. But these are bicone beads. And they have that patina look. Then we have 4mm crystal faceted bicone beads in matte capri blue. Ooh, I'm gonna love these. Look at that. I love this color blue. Do y'all have trouble with wanting to just, well, those jewelry designers out there, where you just want to put every single piece that you get in a design? I find myself wanting to do that, and then it makes me feel stuck. Those retailed at $3.99. Then we've got 6x4 crystal faceted rondelle beads in matte teal. Ooh, I like that. Then we have 15x12mm matte glass nugget beads in sea green, and these are retailed at $3.49. You would like that. Looks like that sea glass in a way. They're so smooth too. Then we have, where am I at here? They were retailed at $3.49. Then we have 2 sets of antiqued bronze toggle clasp They retail at $1.99. Now this was the mistake, which it still matches and it's still pretty, but these two toggle clasps were supposed to have been patinaed like that. And because of the mistake, then we got, I think it was those eye pins. No, the ball head pins. We got 20 piece, and then we got these brass leverback ear wires, and I'll show you those here in a second. But anyway, there's our toggle clasp. Then we have a 2-piece 38mm ornate crescent pendant and bronzed patina. Oh, that's these. Look how gorgeous that is. And those were $3.99. Then we have 4-piece, and I love these, glazed porcelain 19 by 15mm glazed porcelain turtle beads, retail at $2.99. I love these little things. They are adorable. Look at those. Love them. Love them, love them. All right. I'm running out of room. Then we have 1 meter of 4 by 3mm textured oval steel jewelry chain. And that is this. Ooh, that's pretty. It kind of looks like a chain like you'd see, except for obviously, you know, 100 times smaller. But like a chain you'd see off of a boat that's attached to the anchor. Then we've got 20-piece brass ball head pins, antique bronze, and I showed you those already. That was the free gift. Then we've got 10-piece leverback ear wires with a shell motif. So on these little ear wires, you can see like a little seashell. Then I have skipped something. Where's it at? It is a 6mm glass window beads coral orange, 8 inches, retail at $3.99. I somehow missed that on my list, but those are pretty. I love coral and aqua together anyway. Those are gorgeous. See, we're running out of room here. Look how pretty. Okay, that is it for the Sunken Treasure collection, which is June 2024. Let me write that down. That is June 2024 bargain bead box. I will leave a link for you to click on, and you can come back and tell me if it doesn't work. If you decide that you want to buy, to sign up for this subscription, this monthly subscription, then if you go to that, if you go to the website that I provide and you put in the code, it's either going to be April 2 or MCCL for My Crazy Creative Life 2. And that should get you $2 off of your first order. Like I said, let me know if that doesn't work, but it should work. But let me know if it does not. And let me kind of come out here a little bit. I think when I knocked my light down, I got it in a better position. But anyway, but there we go. I'll be back here in just a little bit. I'm going to figure out a design, and we'll come back and make something with this Sunken Treasure. My first thing I'm going to make most likely will be an anklet. I've been wanting an anklet awful bad. You know, it's summertime. We're wearing flip-flops, And it's time for anklets. So I love an anklet with the flip-flop or a sandal. So anyway, I'll probably come back here a little bit and we will make a anklet. And I don't know what else, if anything else for today, I don't know, but at least that. So, but as far as this video goes for the reveal, that's it. And I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day. And like I said, go to that link, put in the code, save $2 off your first order, and become a subscription member with Bargain Bead Box. You will not be sorry. Right now, I think it's $22.99 a month is what this costs. And I mean, you look how much you get. That is such a bargain. I mean, and it's beautiful. It's not cheap stuff. It's beautiful jewelry, or at least I think it is. Beautiful beads and findings. So that's it. I'll go ahead and shut up now, and I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye. Hey, if you like this video, you may want to check out my previous video or my previous series. Talk to you soon.